What up, team? What up, family? What up, world? It's your boy KOBK, and that stands for Knocked Out by Knowledge. And I salute each and every single one of you guys. For you guys that are tuning in through IG, Facebook, TikTok, Twitch, stream, YouTube, I greatly appreciate you. We're going to do something that we do every single day. Today, we do have some scholars on the line, and we do have a special guest on the line today who has never quite been in one of these classes. So today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show him literally what we do behind the scenes as well as record this whole session. So you guys can go back and look at this later on. Now, the strategy I will be using today is called the reckoning. Today, we are doing binary options. We do binary options trading, stock trading, Forex trading, and more. But the reason I'm focusing on binary options today is because I'm able to show you exactly how you're able to make your monthly income in a matter of seconds. Now, listen, guys, most individuals that trade on this platform, they're used to taking trades anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes. Well, me personally, I've developed a strategy, a couple strategies that you can find on my website at www.kobksalute.com, where you can purchase a strategy of your choosing. Now, the strategies on there, they're for different types of things, but most of the time they work across the board. Now, the strategy I'm going to do today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get into the market, take advantage of trades only for 10 seconds, and then get out of the market. Now, the reason the strategy is so powerful is because it's built with alerts. It's built with caution systems. And what that means is when you decide to execute a trade, it's going to allow you to know when to stay in the trade, when to get out of the trade, when to take a pause and let the market breathe, and then dive directly back into the trade if the trade permits. Now, prior to doing that, there's a couple things that we must do. We have to go look at our currency strength meter, and then we're also going to look at the news for the market. Now, first things first, let's go to the Forex Factory. Forex Factory, you guys can go to Google, just type in Forex Factory. You'll see it pop up. You do not need to create an account over here. This is a free platform. But if you do decide to create an account over here, you're able to change some settings and it'll save it. So when you come back to this platform, when you go down here to the bottom, and you're looking at the pairs, the time frame that has the most money in the market, it will be saved to your current time frame. Right now, we're looking at the London, New York session. This is one of my favorite times to trade because this is when the most money is in the market. Over here, you have the Asian market. It moves a little bit slower, but this is still a good time to trade if you like to take your time a little bit more. Me personally, I like to get in the trade and ride that wave. And today, with that reckoning strategy, those are the type of setups that we're going to be looking for is during this overlap session. So when we get into that trade, it keeps going, and keeps going. Now, I have everybody on their demo account today. We do another session where we're all on our live accounts. But listen, guys, I want you to practice on your demo first. And the reason is because I want you to go over there and execute your trades, work on your craft, work on your precision. So when it's time for you to go live, you're ready to dominate the market. But listen, when you work with me before you go live, you have two tests. You have the written test that you must do and pass based off of my strategy, and then you're going to do a one-on-one with me. And what entails with that one-on-one, I'm going to watch you trade. I'm going to see how you evaluate the market. I'm going to see if you're using the right terminology, but even if you're using the wrong terminology with the market, as long as you make the right decisions and you execute the trades when you should, I'm going to say, hey, go ahead and go live. But you don't have to listen to me. You can go live whenever you want to. I just like to use that as an extra precaution when you're utilizing my strategy. Now, if you want to take me up on that, you are all more than welcome to do so. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to come over here. We're going to look at the currency strength market. Now, traditionally, this is really used for the Forex. You know, those are bigger time frames, but we have a way to look at this, to look at the pairs, see what's strong, and then also go over to the binary side and see what's going on. So currently on the Forex side, we did have some red folders. Now, if you've never seen this before, I'm going to break this down real simple for you. So currently it's Wednesday, December 6th. Right here's the time. These are the time where the news is actually impacted this certain currency right here. Now, if you're a new trader, a beginner trader, intermediate trader, or advanced trader, if you do not know how to trade the red folders, just stay away from the red folders. The reason is because you can get into a trade, it can go with you or it can go against you really, really fast, and there's nothing you can do about it. Now you have your yellow folders and your orange folders. Your red is high impact news. Your yellow folder is medium impact news, and then I'm sorry, your orange is medium impact news, and then your yellow is low impact news. Your yellow and orange folders, you can trade those. And the reason and how you can tell which folder is being impacted at the time, the ones that are grayed out, that is already passed. Currently, we're going on the 10 o'clock next time frame for news to impact. It's 8:43. So we got a little time right now. So currently today, one of the scholars on here was like, hey, USD is NFP. Listen, guys, me personally, I don't like to trade NFP. Non-farm employment market goes really, really crazy. I really like to stay away from USD, but we'll see what presents itself and maybe take a trade on USD. I'm leaning away from it, to be honest with you guys. Now, the platform that we're on today is Pocket Options. As you guys can see, I'm on the demo account. The reason I want you guys on this demo account, because you're going to make mistakes, guys, and that's okay. When you make mistakes, that's how you learn. I want you to make mistakes on this platform prior to you going to your live account. They're going to give you fictitious money. Now, they may start you off with 10,000. They may start you off with 50,000. It's either one or the other. I don't even remember anymore. But what I do know is go ahead and make mistakes on their account, because you will make mistakes. The important part about this is learning from those mistakes. Now, platform overview real fast. Over here to the left, we have where we can select our currencies, cryptocurrencies, commodities, stocks, and indices. Today, we'll be working on currencies. Now, this strategy, the reckoning, it works across the board. It works on all platforms. Now, right here, you see where it says assets? These are our different currencies. Now, you may hear me or one of the scholars say, hey, we're going to be trading CAD Chef. We're going to be trading CAD JPY, Chef JPY. You'll just go to the acronym and you'll pick the pair. Now, this strategy is really built for OTC. Now, a lot of individuals don't like trading OTC. Me, I love OTC because not only is it the synthetic market, but the payout is higher. So you mean to tell me they're going to pay me 92% on whatever I invest in 10 seconds? So if I was to invest $1,000 on this trade, take this trade for 10 seconds, and if I was to clear, they're going to pay me $920 in 10 seconds, and I invested 1,000. I'm going to take that deal. I'm going to take that. Now, if I was to lose this trade, or AKA take a lesson, I would only lose what I invested. Now, if you've never seen this before, I'm going to show you how this works. Let's just go to line chart real quick. All I did was go to this little tab up here. This is how I can switch in between my chart types. As you guys see, it says chart types. I'm just online. So if I was to hit this green button right now, wherever I enter this trade, that little ball must be above that line and stay above that line within the allotted time frame. If I was to hit the red button, it must be below. So I'm just going to hit green real quick. So I hit the green button, and there's that ball. That ball is above. It's above. I have 4 seconds left. Boom. And we won that trade. Just paid out, went directly up there. So I profited $920 on that trade. Now, if I wanted to hit the red button, I'll hit the red button. I need that ball to be down here by the time this timer closes. And if it does, I clear that trade. If it does not, I lose. And I lost that trade. So it's a 1-1 right there. Now, I didn't use any strategy. That was a 50-50 chance. But what if I was to show you a strategy where you can greatly increase your success rate? I think that's the goal. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over here. I'm going to switch this to Hike and Ash. The reason I like Hike and Ash is because it filters out all of the noise. I'm going to change my candles to S15 today. And now I'm going to break down what I'm looking for here. So the way this strategy works, I have my red line. If my candles are above that red line, that's a go. That's green. This strategy is color coordinated. So if I have all green, I'm going to push the green button. If I have all red, I'm going to push the red button. Then I'm going to show you guys how to dive a little bit deeper into this strategy. So if I got all my candles, aka price, is above that red line, I'm looking to buy. I must have a green candle. I'm looking to buy. Must have a green candle down here. I'm looking to buy. And then down here at the bottom, I must have green on top of that red, like you see there. If all those line up, you're going to take that trade for a 10-second buy when this candle gets ready to close at 1. I love entering at 1 second left on the candle. And the reason I love entering at that time, because when I enter that trade, it gives me a jump until the next candle. It gives me a head start. Now, if I'm looking to sell, let's go to currencies real quick. Let me see here. Let's find one. Everything's above. And there we go. So if I'm looking to sell, I need these candles, aka price, to be underneath that red line. I look down here. I need that to be red. And then I need this to be red as well. Then I will hit the red button. Now, how do we know when to enter the trade? You know when to enter the trade when you get this cross. This cross is your first indication of when the market is setting up. Once you see that, you look up, boom, that's red, candles underneath, boom. But at the time when this happened, when this cross happened, my candle was above that red line, guys. So listen, you're not going to take the trade. Do not take the trade. This is a trade trending strategy. So you wait. This candle closed underneath. Well, this one closed underneath. Enter the trade here, guys. Everything's red. Underneath the red line, red candle here, red on top. You take that trade for 10 seconds. Take it for 10. Take it for 10. Take it for 10. Boom. Caution. Now, you may have lost this trade. We don't win every single trade. You guys know that. No strategy is perfect, but we win way more than we lose. So there's your first caution. And what I need to do, I need to add another indicator real fast. There we go. I need to turn on my triangles, guys. Turn on those triangles. So right here, boom, red, boom, caution. So you would have taken every single trade, and actually you would have traded. Boom, here's your first caution. You got that triangle. That is a caution. So you can wait till the market retests, till the market breathes, and then if everything still aligns up, enter that trade. We got a green candle. That's a caution. Look what happened here, guys. Another green candle, then a fractal. That fractal now means that the market is ready to continue to go down. So now you can potentially enter this trade here, but this is green, so you don't enter. You wait. Boom, red, taking all those trades. And you know what? I know I'm about to take a trade right now. This is a continuation. You guys know I love taking a trade at the end, but I am in EUR Chef right now. Let's see here. We are in profit on that trade. Let's see if we clear that trade. Boom. We cleared that trade. That's 1,920. I'm going to take the next one right here. Boom. We're going to enter. Now, I entered this trade on the hopes of the continuation. I don't know when this is getting ready to turn around. But guys, listen, I have nothing telling me to abort mission. That is another clear. I'm going to take EUR Chef again at 1, guys. This just happened right in front of our eyes, guys. It just set up. Now, if I'm going to enter again. So that pulled back higher than my initial entry. So I took a double entry there. I lost that first one, about to clear that one. I am still going to take this trade, entering again at 1, cleared that trade right there. Now let's see here. Boom, we're back in profit again, guys. Looking to continue taking this trade the whole way. Guys, I'm going to end the video after this. That's another clear. That is another clear. This is EUR Chef, guys. You guys know I do not like Chef trade again because nothing is telling me to get out. Now I may get a fractal here. Entering again. All right, I may get a fractal, guys. I may get a turnaround. I lost that one. Took a lesson there. Still in profit on this next one. I'm still going to take this next trade because nothing's telling me to get out. That's a clear. All right, we're back at 10. There we go. We're still pushing. Guys, we still pushing. Guys, we caught a wave. This is a wave. First setup. Don't tell me good job. I already know. Let's go. Looking to take it again. Boom, 1. Let's go, guys. Let's go. If it pulls back to 10, I will re-enter for a double entry on a possible continuation. Let's go. Let's go. So I am taking every trade. Lost that one. Let's see. Oh, I'm going to pause. Let me see. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. There's my warning. I do not have a triangle yet, so I'm watching. I'm waiting. I'm waiting to see if this is ready to turn around. Let's see if we get our fractal here. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. There's our fractal. I'm good. Pause. I'm done. EUR Chef caught a bag on the very first one on EUR Chef. Uh-oh. Got continuations. She wants to go some more. So I'm gonna wait for the pullback. I'm gonna wait to one, and I'll attempt up. There's another caution. No, I'm done with this pair, guys. We're done. We're done with her. We are what you gonna do? She still wants to go. That's another clear. She still wants to go. She still wants to go. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Let's go. There's a caution. There's a caution again. So let's see what she does. I'm gonna take another one at 10. Let's see what she does, y'all. Y'all know I don't like Chef. All right, so that's a lesson. Let's see here. Let's see here. All right, now we're done. Now she's exhausted. Now there's a fractal. I am done with EUR Chef. Yo, bag quick in the morning. So what I will do, I will end the video here, but us, we're going to stay on the call. So all you guys who are tuning in from YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, TikTok, I really appreciate y'all. We came on here, first trade setup. We caught a bag. We caught the wave from here all the way down. That's what happens when you follow the rules. Listen, guys, the entry came here. That was, let me turn this off. Let me turn this off. Enable auto scroll. Turn that off. Guys, listen, the entry came right here. That was our warning. We were patient. It wasn't time to enter that trade. Patient, 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 right? Patient. Boom, enter that trade. We entered, right? We entered. Clear, clear, caution. Wait, wait. Reversal, telling us the market wants to go down, but this is not ready, so you be patient. Boom, caught the whole wave. Boom, 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 boom. Caught every single one of these. Sheesh. Anyway, it's your boy KLBK Salute. We out of here. For those of you that are on this call, stay, don't leave. I'm here to answer your questions. And those of you tuning in, I will see you tomorrow morning, 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. Let's get it. Wow, wow. Everything is color coordinated. Candles underneath the red line, that's 1. Red on top, that's 2. Red down here, that is 3. 1, 2, that's 3. Those are the 3 signals to enter the trade to let you know that it's a good trade. But what we look for, our entry point when taking these trades, is our cross right here.